In today's video, we're answering a simple but important question. Can you get Base44 Pro for free? If you're looking for a shortcut, a workaround, or a way to unlock premium features without paying, I want to be completely clear with you right away. You can use the Base44 free tier to test the core capabilities, but a true Pro upgrade cannot be permanently bypassed. That means if you need the full Pro plan, the advanced features, or the paid usage limits, there is no legitimate free method to keep that access forever. If this video saves you time, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips and honest tutorials. Now let's break this down in the simplest way possible. Base44 does offer a free tier, and that is the best place to start if you want to see whether the platform fits your workflow. With the free plan, you can explore the interface, try the core tools, and get a feel for how the software works before deciding whether upgrading makes sense. This is useful if you're still comparing options or you only need basic functionality. But when it comes to Pro, that's where the paid features begin. Pro plans are designed to unlock the more powerful parts of the platform, and in this case, the Pro upgrade normally starts at $80 per month. So if your goal is to get the exact Pro experience for free, the honest answer is no, not permanently. You may see trial access, limited previews, or free tier usage, but that is not the same as fully bypassing the subscription, and that distinction matters. If you're a creator, freelancer, or business owner, the smart move is to use the free tier first and evaluate whether the Pro features are actually worth the monthly cost for your use case. Sometimes the free version is enough, sometimes it isn't. The important part is understanding what you get before you pay. If you're watching this because you wanted a free Pro unlock, the safest and most accurate answer is that Base44 Pro cannot be permanently accessed for free through a legitimate method. So use the free tier to test, compare the features, and decide from there. And if you do choose to upgrade, make sure you're doing it directly through the official platform so your account stays secure and supported. If this quick answer helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.